Our third example here is pretty short and sweet. Suppose you purchase a laptop for $640 at a 20% discount. How much would the laptop cost if you had purchased it at list price? So I'm saying here that you're not getting a 20% discount on $640. I'm saying that the $640 is the discounted price that you got. Where here, there's only one thing we don't know, and that our X value in this case is the price of the laptop. Where in order to get that price of the laptop X, well, that's going to be equal to $640 plus what it took to get that 20% off, that is how much the 20% off discount was, which would be 0.2 times the original cost. So that's our equation, and if we want to solve this equation, it's still pretty straightforward. It's the same sort of moving the math around. Here I'm going to subtract 0.2. Be careful, that's a 1 hidden on there. So if I subtract 0.2 over, I'd be left with 0.8x equals 640. I'm going to divide both sides by 0.8. So I would have x is equal to 640 over 0.8, which is technically true and technically the right answer, but not very useful. If you want to be sure, 0.8 is 4/5, so you can divide that 640 by... Can you divide 640 by 4? Yes, you can. You can divide 640 by 4. You should get 160, excuse me, and then 160 times 5 would be 500 plus 300, or x is equal to 800. And to check that, you can see what the 20% discount is on 800. To get that type of decimal, what you do is you take this, multiply it by, or divide it by 10, excuse me, that would be 80, multiply it by 2, that's your 20%, would be 160. 160 subtracted from 800 gets you 640. So we were on the right track. Like I said, it's a pretty short, sweet example. Last one with this kind of thing, before we look at a slightly more abstract approach, will take a tiny bit more.